I got a gift today from Nathan Hubby. Thank you, Nathan. So Nathan already gave me a gift certificate to Dan's Fish. Thank you. But he sent presents for the Meow Meows. So we have some Crinklefish catnip toys and some Community Crave for my fish. They would love that. But we're going to see if the cats, how they like the toys. All right, all three cats are down here roaming around. Hey, fat kitty. Oh, fat kitty. Fat kitty. Hey, fat kitty. Hey, big kitty. Come on, cats. Okay, we've got some more. Hey, big kitty. Come on, back. Oh, we have activity. Oh, fat kitty. Tiny kitty. Hey, tiny kitty. No reaction on her. Oh, we have some murdering happening. Oh, murder. Oh, murder. Oh, kitties. Oh, yeah. Tiny kitty appears just to be scared of them, but that is pretty typical. But as you can see, fat kitty is quite murderous. Oh, so murderous. Oh, so murderous. Oh, murder. Oh, so murderous. Well, Nathan, I think these toys are a hit. Oh, so murderous. Oh, kitties. Oh. Good job, Nathan. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas.